guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use Love8 app. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Love8, and you'll install it. Once installed, click on open, and this is where the real business starts. So you have to sign in as the first step. So you say, I already have a partner, invite code, or I already have an account. I don't have an account. Just click on get started. So continue. They're just showing you how the app works, and you can just read through and check. So that's literally what other place is talking about. So here you can actually subscribe to their yearly, which is 4,009, and just explore, right? So there's a special offer and it ends in 2 days. So after that, you can just send match code to your partner. So you can send this to your partner, just copy it and send it. And if you have a match code already, you can just click on that. So after sending it, okay, let me just send it to myself. Sent it. So you go back and click on not now and continue. So it asks, what should we call you? So you set your name. So just set in my name. Okay. Click on female. I'm a female, of course. Click on continue. Set in your date of birth, your birthday. So, okay. Set mine to 6 and click on continue. You can click on maybe later. And are you guys close together? So say we're in 2 different countries, we're in same city. Okay, continue. Let your partner always find you. You can share location and the rest of that. So do that later if you want. Say, what do you mostly want from Love8? So keep track of their location. Try to raise a pet together. Instant messages. And just pick anything you want. So click on continue once you pick something, and they also bring up this because you need to actually explore that. So this is how you can check. Click on your country, and this is my country right here, Nigeria. So scroll, and you can see the states. So this is where I'm currently at, and Enugu, that's Enugu right there. So you can now invite your partner, which I've sent the code already. So can do a lot. This is where you message and the rest of that. So this is literally what you need to do. Nothing much, just this. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.